All right, what's up guys? Today, we take a stroll down vegetarian lane, make some super easy, delicious protein cookies. You only need 8 ingredients and you should have most of them on hand. So let's just jump right into the recipe. First, you're gonna start by draining and rinsing 1 can worth of chickpeas. Do your best to remove all of the water after rinsing them. Next, you're gonna need some vegetarian-friendly protein, which brings us to the part where I tell you this video is sponsored by iHerb, and we're using some Madre Labs Zenbu shake powder. Now into a food processor or really powerful blender, add your rinsed chickpeas, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a cup of either almond, oat, or whole wheat pastry flour. I've used all 3 and they all work great. As you can see on the screen, using almond flour will net you the best overall macros. Continue with 2 tablespoons of a sweetener, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of brown rice syrup, 2 scoops worth of the Madre Labs Zenbu shake powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of baking powder. Process or blend everything together until it's smooth like this, which should take around 30 seconds or so. Next, optionally toss in some chocolate chips or whatever else you want and lightly mix those in with a spoon. Last, take out a baking sheet with some parchment paper so nothing sticks, and then just shape and press down scoops of your mix into cookies. Throw them in the oven on 350 for around 12 to 15 minutes. You can't go wrong with cookies. And these cookies have a nice, dense, fudgy chocolate chip texture to them. I know in the past we've made some cake-like cookies, but these ones are on the less airy side of things. Seriously good. Couple things I want to talk about. 1, brown rice syrup is a great lower sugar substitute for honey and maple syrup in most recipes. 2, you haven't checked out iHerb yet. It's an amazing one-stop shop website. My experience, they have pretty much everything, always have great sales, have tons of reviews by actual people, and you can get discounts for buying in bulk, which is something I always tend to do. 3, lots of people have asked me what the difference between protein powder and meal replacement powder is. Sure, you can technically use both as a meal replacement, but the actual meal replacement powder is everything you need. Protein, complex carbs, fruits, greens, probiotics, and so on. All meal replacement powders vary, so make sure to check out the ingredient list. This Madre Labs Zenbu shake powder we use today is top notch. Tastes great as a shake and goes just as good in recipes. No, it's not gonna break your bank either. I'll toss a link to it in the description below. And 4, I personally store these in an airtight container once they cool. They usually last around 5 to 7 days. With all that said, let's end this. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to check out iHerb below. Smack that thumbs up button for some more vegetarian stuff. Leave a comment below on what I should remix next. Subscribe and turn on notifications if you haven't already. And of course, stay healthy.